They have been lying about this for years. It is generally considered safe to save money in the banks because they are regulated by governments and offer deposit insurance to protect your fund. But are these banks generally safe to save our funds? Let's examine some factors that say that it's not safe to save money in the banks. As we all know that bank typically offers lower rate of interest to the funds that we can invest in other investment options such as stock, bond, mutual funds, shares and many more. You know what that means? It means your money may not grow as faster as it can in the other investment options because they can give you higher interest over the fund you invest on them. Also, if you look upon the inflation side, it can erode the purchasing power of your money. You usually save money over a period of time in the banks and they offer us lower interest rate. Now, if this interest rate is lower than the rate of inflation, then we may be losing money in real terms. Before saving money in the banks, seek out for the other investment options that can provide you with higher interest rate and can provide you much advantage for your financial growth. And also, do not forget to follow Penny Calling Penny for more financial advices.